Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make a preference list or choice filling list for your MCC counseling or NEET counseling. See, when filling your choices in NEET UG counseling, especially MCC counseling, you should not randomly arrange colleges according to your reputation. Your preference list should be based on your rank, category, previous year allotment, trends, and your own priorities. The first step is to find out which colleges you can realistically get at your rank. Look at previous year's counseling results and check the closing ranks of different colleges for your category. See, this is the approach. This is the correct approach. How to determine the previous year trends? You can refer to the official allotment data that has been released by NMC on their website, of course. Once you have this data, divide your choices into different groups. The first one is the dream choices or the top colleges, colleges that you strongly prefer, even if your chances of getting them are low. Then comes high but realistic choices, the colleges where your rank has a reasonable chance based on previous year trends. Then comes safe choices, like for example, the colleges where candidates with ranks lower than yours have received seats in previous years. For example, you're targeting Delhi colleges. You can initially put the top colleges in Delhi according to your personal preference, followed by the colleges with slightly lower closing ranks, and then gradually move towards the colleges that are safer for your rank. That is the most important criteria you should be following. But there is one important rule. See, don't arrange colleges purely according to their previous year closing ranks. Arrange them according to what you would actually prefer if you got all of them. For example, I'll give you an example. If college A closed at a much better rank than college B, but you would personally prefer college B because of location or fees or academics, any factor it can be. So college B should come above college A in your preference list. Also, never stop your choice list or preference list after your expected colleges. In counseling, unexpected fluctuations can happen. So, it's generally better to create a long and careful ordered preference list, provided that every college on the list is one you would genuinely be willing to join. See, a simple strategy I'll give you. You know your rank, then identify the eligible colleges. Check previous year allotment lists, analyze the closing ranks, separate the dream, realistic, and safe options, arrange them according to your preference, then do the choice filling or select the colleges on the website. So finally, remember that a previous year's data is a very good data, is a very good information that you can rely on to make your choice filling. And don't make a preference list based on what can I get. Make it based on what would I choose if I got all. So let me give you an example. I belong to the general category. So I went through the allotment lists from the past several years and checked which colleges were allotted to candidates from the general category at my rank, as well as to the candidates with ranks close to mine. Based on this data, I was able to get an idea of which colleges were realistically possible for me, and accordingly, I could make the choice filling. This was my strategy last year. So, yeah, this was all. So, you have to see the previous year trends, like you analyze the previous year question papers of NEET during before appearing for NEET exam. Just like that, you have to analyze the previous year trends of allotment also during NEET counseling. Remember, NEET counseling is far more hectic than your NEET exam. You might be heard of in many videos like people make. So it's absolutely true to say that NEET counseling is far hectic than hearing for NEET exam. Absolutely, I can guarantee you. But still, if you make a clean list, if you make a rough note of that previous year allotments, and so you will be able to make a choice list and you can smoothly go through the counseling process. So yes, best of luck, all the best for your NEET counseling, and Comment down below if you want me to make any other video on any other topic. I'll make a one and be more than happy for you guys. And yes, stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.